Okay, we're recording. And this is going to be another thing for the personal camera videos. Now, I've set it up so that it's like right exactly at level with the TV. Okay, now this next video is going to be quite an interesting one. And we're going to have, and just a warning before I started, this is going to be a loud video. So volume warning. Also, that's why I'm staying at volume 1. Yep.
Well, that happened. I can hear the mini horn.
Thought I'd film this
Okay,
right
so that
now.
happened.
Yep, I was just sitting in the room watching a little TV. And then this happened. And when I go down that way, I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Volume warning.
What? No? I think somebody burnt something. Their waffle.
Nope. I'll tell you why after. I'll tell you why this happened. Well, you'll probably hear it in the video.
Oh, nuts. This ain't a way you want to wake up this morning? Have the fire alarm go off at your hotel. Oh, they shut it off. Don't know what that was all about. It's a fire inspection.
Yep. You heard that right.
I'm like, what the heck has happened?
Yep, you heard that right. Fire inspection. Totally unexpected.